This video will demonstrate the correct log assembly to get the best look and ember glow. Place the large charred ember bed A onto burner base pins 3 and 4 located between the front and rear burner tubes. Place ember piece B on the left rear of the burner base, align with the angle of the burner tube. Place ember piece C on the left front of the burner base, align with the angle of the burner tube and ember piece B. Place log D onto ember bed A, pin 8, located on the far right. Place log E onto burner base pin 6, located on the far right. Place log F on the right rear of the burner base, align with the angle of the burner tube. Place log G onto burner base pins 1 and 2, located behind the rear burner tube. Place decorative rocks across the burner base in the front of the burner tube. Do not cover the burner tube ports. Place the glowing embers on the burner tubes covering all ports. Place embers on the ember bed A as shown. You may press some embers onto the front side of log G to help create glow when the fire is burning. Place log H onto ember bed A, pin 6, located on center right. Place log I onto ember bed A, pins 2 and 3, located on the left. Place log J onto the front left pin 5 on burner base and onto the pin of log G. Place log K onto the pin on log J and onto the pin 4 on ember bed A, located on center left. Place log L onto the pin on log E and onto the pin on log F. Place log M into gap of logs F and G and onto the pin 7 of ember bed A, located on top right. Place log N onto the pin on log G and onto the pin on log N. Place log O on the ember bed A, pin 1, located on the far left. Place log P onto ember bed A, pin 5, located on center right. Place log Q over the front burner tube and on ember bed A. Place log R on floor liner in front of the burner tube and between log P and Q. Place log S on the left front of the burner base and onto log O. Place additional decorative rocks and embers in any empty areas around the burner base as desired. Pay attention that the rocks and the embers do not block any burner tube ports.